Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of ESPN Fantasy app. You will click on settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Fantasy app. After that you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. You will go to Play Store. You will search about ESPN Fantasy, and then you can update your app if you find update here. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.